Best ways to remove gum from clothing. Chewing gum is a sweet treat that both children and adults enjoy. What happens, though, when chewing gum ends up somewhere we don't want it, like our clothes? Chewing gum, due to its sticky nature, readily sticks to materials and rarely comes off in the washing machine. Unfortunately, we find gum in places like desk surfaces and park benches, and you're likely to get it on your clothes without even realizing it. One great way to get gum off your clothing is to freeze it. Rub the problem spot with an ice cube to solidify the gum, and then use a butter knife or scraper to quickly remove it. The garment can also be placed in your freezer in a plastic bag for a few hours until the gum hardens. Just take caution not to place the clothing in the freezer with the gum facing down, and to avoid having the gum spread on the plastic bag. You may also use heat and hot substances to get rid of gum. Gum can be warmed and made more easily removable by using a hairdryer, or soften with hot water or steam. Remember that if you do immerse the garment in hot water, you might need to repeat the procedure several times to get all of the gum out. Work carefully and use an old toothbrush to scrape the gum off as you go, because when the gum begins heating up, things might become messy. How about using an iron to get gum out of your clothes? Before you begin, place a piece of cardboard between your ironing board and your garment to make sure the gum won't stick to the board. If you don't want to run the danger of melting the gum and making a stickier mess, iron with a light to medium heat. To get the gum to cling to the cardboard rather than the material, is the aim of the ironing process. The gum should ultimately soften and adhere to your cardboard, and then easily peel off. Did you know that peanut butter works to remove gum as well? The inherent oils in peanut butter make it useful for removing chewing gum. Thickly spread the peanut butter until it completely covers the gum. Leave the peanut butter on the gum area for approximately a minute, and then scrape the gum off with a sharp edge. Use a stain remover right away before washing the item, since peanut butter can discolor your clothing if left too long. Another option for removing gum is coconut oil. Coconut oil has been used to cure a number of illnesses, as well as to care for our hair and skin, and now even remove gum. Warm the coconut oil for a few seconds before dipping the gum area into it, and massaging until the oil saturates and dissolves the gum. Once finished, use stain remover and wash the garment. In addition to removing gum from clothes, coconut oil also works effectively to remove gum from hair. Next on the list for removing gum is vinegar. In a microwave-safe container, heat up a small amount of white vinegar. Brush the gum with a toothbrush after dipping it into the heated vinegar, which will soften the gum and make it easier to remove. You can also sprinkle a little baking soda and vinegar over the gum, then allow the bubbly foam to work its magic. Believe it or not, canned air also works well for removing gum from clothing. Spray canned air straight on the gum, its freezing effect will harden it and allow it to peel right off. Rubbing alcohol also works wonders on removing gum from your clothes. Dip a cotton swab in rubbing alcohol and work it into the area of gum. Allow the alcohol to penetrate and dry for about a minute, and then use a strip of duct tape to pull the gum off. With these wardrobe tricks at your disposal, you'll be able to completely and easily remove any stuck chewing gum. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.